In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable algo trading in MetaTrader 5. If your expert advisors aren't placing trades, it's usually because MT5 hasn't been given permission to trade automatically. We'll walk through turning on the master switch, confirming the platform's permissions, enabling trading for each EA you attach, and then checking that everything is actually live. Follow along, and by the end, your setup should be ready to run. Start with the Global Algo Trading switch. Look at the toolbar at the top of the MT5 window and find the button labeled Algo Trading or sometimes Auto Trading. This is the master control for automated trading across the entire platform. Click it so it turns green. Green means enabled. Red means disabled. If it's red, no EA will trade, even if it's properly attached to a chart. Keep an eye on this button because if it gets toggled off, it pauses all automated activity. Next, confirm your platform settings so MT5 actually allows automation. Go to Tools, then Options, or press Ctrl+O. Open the Expert Advisors tab. Here, make sure Allow Automated Trading is checked. This is what lets EAs execute orders from within MT5. You'll also see an option for Allow DLL imports. Only enable this if your EA specifically requires external libraries and you fully trust the source, since DLLs extend functionality beyond MT5. Click OK to save your settings. With this, you've given the platform global permission to automate. Now enable trading for each individual EA. Attach your EA to a chart by dragging it from the navigator window or double-clicking it. When the EA settings window opens, go to the Common tab and check Allow Algo Trading or the similarly worded option you see there. Click OK. This permission is per EA and per chart, so if you add the EA to another symbol or time frame, you'll need to confirm it there as well. Finally, verify it's working. Look at the top right corner of the chart where the EA is attached. A green or blue EA icon or a smiley face indicates the EA is allowed to trade. A red or gray icon means trading is still disabled for that EA. Also make sure the Algo Trading button on the toolbar stays green while the EA is running. If you still don't see trades, double-check the EA's logic and market conditions. Many EAs only trade when specific criteria are met. That's it. Turn on the master switch, allow automation in options, enable it for each EA, and confirm on the chart. You're ready to let your strategies run.